Microbiology is the scientific study of microorganisms, including their structure, functions, growth, reproduction, and their effects on humans, animals, plants, and the environment. Main types of microorganisms: bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, algae. Importance of microbiology. It helps diagnose and treat infectious diseases. It is used in making antibiotics, vaccines, and medicines. Produces foods such as yogurt, cheese, and bread. It improves agriculture through soil microorganisms. It treats wastewater and recycles nutrients. It supports biotechnology and genetic engineering. Branches of microbiology. Number 1, bacteriology is study of bacteria. Number 2, virology is study of viruses. Number 3, mycology is study of fungi. Number 4, protozoology is study of protozoa. Number 5, phycology is study of algae. Number 6, immunology is study of the immune system and its response to microbes. If the content is useful, please like, share, and comment for further updates.